Hello everyone, this is Tom from Mystical Arts. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can pixelate a face or any object in your footage. It's a very easy thing to do. It takes just a few seconds or minutes depending on your hardware and the length of the clip. Let's get right into it. As you can see, I have imported a clip into my timeline of a guy walking the sidewalk, and what you want to do now is go to the Effects tab, type Mosaic, and import the Mosaic clip onto your clip. Now the whole screen became very pixelated. Let's fix that. With your clip selected, go into Effect Controls. Scroll down all the way till you can see Mosaic. Now what you want to do is click Create Ellipse Mask. It's gonna make this circle here. And now put this circle around your object, or just cover up your object and make it a tiny bit bigger than the object itself. Not much, but just a tiny bit around the object. Now make sure that you're on the beginning of your clip when you do this. And what you want to do now is just click Drag Selected Mask Forward. This is the longest part. It's gonna take a few minutes, seconds, hours, depending on how long your clip is and your hardware, of course. I'm gonna speed this process up for the sake of the video. Okay, now it's finished. It took about 10-12 seconds in my case. And yeah, if we play it back, as you can see, the mask is very nicely tracked. It sticks to the face or the object, right? And yeah, but it's still not looking very good. It's just a few big blocks. So let's fix that. In your effect controls, under Mosaic effect, we need to change the horizontal blocks and the vertical blocks. I would keep it between 100 and 200, but you do you. You can change it to whatever you want. And boom, just like that, we have this clip have this effect. It's pixelated now, but still, to make it better, let's increase mask feather to about 30, 40, 50, 60, however much you want, to make the outerior of it much more smooth. And yeah, just like that, we have this effect. If you like this video, consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe for more content in the future. Check out our social media in the description below, and I hope you have a wonderful day.